Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Asadali. This is my DTube username at A1EduTech0 on DTube, and basically I post technical videos on my channel, most likely of Blender and computer related videos. If you want, you can go to my channel and watch the videos. Link is in the description. My motive of making this video is to make requests to join me in the whitelist on DTube. It's a very nice opportunity for the new DTube users provided by TikTok. Here you can get 10 free DTC from TikTok. He is just making a roundup of all original YouTubers, original content creators on DTube. I really thanks to TikTok for providing this opportunity and helping the new DTube users. Thank you for watching my video and have a nice day.